Hey guys, what I decided to do is I got two different fabrics because this one's a little thin. This is just a simple scarf. So I took a scarf. Of course, you could do it yourself and you could just take the scarf, tie it around your mouth, and boom, tie it in a knot. It's done. I like to sew. So I'm going to take and I'm going to sew this with this so to make it a real thicker. I'm just going to put it here on the machine. And I'm just going to sew around the edges. Okay, so we're going to take this and cut a little slit right there. And then I'm going to take and put it in here. I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to take these pieces and put it in the hole that I just made. I'm going to let Destiny sew. She's just going to sew. She's going to sew this part closed over that. Oops. And then just going to sew this separate over that. Alright. I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. Destiny is trying to make like a little pouch. Okay, stop. And we're going to just fix it. No, you can leave it down. Fix this in.
Fix it.
Alright, well, go ahead and pull it up and we're going to take it out so we can see what's going on here. Yep, you take the needle up whenever you do it. Bring the needle up. No. And then remember, pull it out. So hold it up there. And cut the string. It's just attached right there.
Oh, did I do something? Break it.
Yeah, you're learning.
Bing.
So it's still threaded or whatever. Okay. So bring it down so the camera can see.
I just chopped off the little
Extra.
excess. That's what we got so far.
So we put the string inside this part. And she sewed all the way up to there. So we still have some that's unfinished.
Mm-hmm.
And then she went around. So turn it.
So you're right here. This part needs to be sewed a little bit more up here.
Right. So we just got a little bit more room to go, which is here.
We're going to cut this excess.
The key is to make sure you don't sew on top of the rope on the inside, okay? All right. So we'll be back. Okay. You ready? Mm-hmm. Let's go ahead. Let's see Okay. She's lifting the back and she's adjusting it. Let's see if I get a better view.
I think I need to move the needle. Like this.
Yep, you're gonna have to tear it.
Gonna tear it.
No.
I'm putting this.
No, we're leaving that on there so to keep it separate. So she done went this far with it. And now we just got to do the rest of it. So give me 1 second. Let me help her.
No. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, guys. It actually came loose. Got a phone call.
Don't decline it.
Hold on. Okay, I'm finna just show them. And the string came out. So when the sewing machine, the string come out, go ahead. We're gonna
so there's steps.
Show you how to string it.
Then number 2 says bring it down here. Then 3 says bring it back up. Then 4 get the
put it on a little hook up the other way. Basically, put it on a hook.
It's in a hook. So 5, you have to bring it down. And yeah,
you stick it in that little around that little hook.
Stick it on a little hook. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Roll around it.
Oh no, around that little hook.
Oh God.
So look, you just take it and you stick it back there and it's in it. Yep, it's in it.
No,
Use
it's
your
not.
finger. Easy.
Mm-hmm.
A teenager could definitely do it.
There we go.
All right, and now we want to stick it through the needle.
Hmm?
The needle.
Oh no. Can I cut it a little bit?
And this little hole's mole.
Okay, it's find the needle to stick it through. Oh gosh. I don't see a hole, Mama.
Let me see. Did it go through?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You see it, Mama?
Now she sees the hole.
No, I don't.
I forgot.
Found it. There we go. I stuck it through it. Okay, it's
And then
stuck.
pull it out that way.
It wasn't even in the hole.
We'll be back. Okay, we got it through the hole.
Can you pull it?
Yep, pull it through. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, and as you see, you have one that comes out the bottom.
It does?
Mm-hmm. But that's called jabobbing. That's a whole nother story. Okay, so now we're finna get our pouch that we're making.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
put the
so-
needle down.
No, you don't have to put the needle. It's gonna go down when you push the button. So we're gonna go back. She likes to do it backwards. So we're gonna go backwards. This is where she ends. Stopped the first time on the silky part. And keep in mind, here's that little black string right there. We do not sew over it. All right, stop real quick and let's straighten this up. All right, go ahead.
You want to do it again?
Whoa, don't hit the black string. Did you miss it? Let's see. Okay.
Reverse it.
Nope, no reverse. Okay,
Just
so
kidding.
we just straightened it up is all we did. And she's gonna go back across the front. Go slow though. Okay. All right. All right.
So, cut up all the excess string. Then after that, we're going to flip it over. Okay. Still.
Keep it down. Yep, a couple little strings. Now you've been using scissors since kindergarten. Don't cut yourself.
I'm not going to cut myself, Mama. I've been using scissors since preschool.
Oh, well, since preschool, excuse
Mom,
me.
I'm just saying stuff.
And guys, stay tuned because we are going to make a mask to match it. See, we got some more fabric, and this all came from a scarf, so you can make a purse
Could we take
and a scarf
the bobby pin,
to match.
Mama?
Definitely follow us. Please subscribe. Yeah, you can take that out.
Like and share.
Like and share if you like this idea. Don't forget to hit the bell so you could definitely get notifications whenever we do something new. Try to stay in the...
Okay, so I flipped it inside out. And we have the little drawstring.
Tucking in a little.
Oh, there's
Make
my
sure all your
string.
corners are out so you can see the whole bag. More string.
Okay. Well, this is a bag. So this is a bag, and this is what it looks like in the inside. And you can get the little drawstring and buckle it up. And you can keep anything you want in it. So stay tuned for more videos.
Now we have a little pouch.